Question 1. What image best describes how the brain saves if-then patterns? Answer options are: Option A, a bouncing basketball. Option B, a tiny notebook writing rules. Option C, a loud alarm clock. Option D, a spinning compass. Correct option is option B, a tiny notebook writing rules. This image represents how the brain stores patterns as rules. Question 2. Which statement describes the core truth of if-then learning? Answer options are: Option A, the brain strengthens rules that help with safety and rewards. Option B, the brain only learns rules when we sleep. Option C, the brain ignores patterns unless they are scary. Option D, the brain avoids storing any repeated events. Correct option is option A, the brain strengthens rules that help with safety and rewards. Helpful rules become stronger over time. Question 3. What is the first step in how the brain learns an if-then rule? Answer options are: Option A, acting without thinking. Option B, noticing a cue in the environment. Option C, forgetting old information. Option D, creating a new habit instantly. Correct option is option B, noticing a cue in the environment. Learning begins when the brain detects a trigger. Question 4. What does the brain do after it links a cue to an outcome? Answer options are: Option A, waits days before using the rule. Option B, ignores the cue the next time. Option C, predicts the outcome when the cue appears again. Option D, erases the rule completely. Correct option is option C, predicts the outcome when the cue appears again. Prediction makes behavior faster and smarter. Question 5. Why does understanding if-then learning help with science? Answer options are: Option A, it shows how metals melt. Option B, it explains how habits and behaviors become automatic. Option C, it makes math formulas shorter. Option D, it explains how cells divide. Correct option is option B, it explains how habits and behaviors become automatic. Automatic behavior forms through repetition. Question 6. Which example shows if-then learning in daily life? Answer options are: Option A, touching something hot once and avoiding it later. Option B, learning to breathe underwater. Option C, seeing in the dark without light. Option D, running faster when you are tired. Correct option is option A, touching something hot once and avoiding it later. Pain becomes a trigger for avoidance. Question 7. What memory image can help you remember if-then learning? Answer options are: Option A, a glowing tree in a forest. Option B, a tiny notebook labeled if-then rules. Option C, a giant clock tower. Option D, a floating jellyfish. Correct option is option B, a tiny notebook labeled if-then rules. This reinforces the rule storage idea. Question 8. Why do doctors study if-then patterns in patients? Answer options are: Option A, to understand triggers for habits, fears, or cravings. Option B, to predict hair color. Option C, to determine bone shape. Option D, to measure lung size. Correct option is option A, to understand triggers for habits, fears, or cravings. Triggers explain repeated behaviors. Question 9. What does your brain create each time it sees the same pattern twice? Answer options are: Option A, a new reflex. Option B, a new if-then rule. Option C, a new dream. Option D, a new heartbeat. Correct option is option B, a new if-then rule. Repetition strengthens learning pathways. Question 10. Why are if-then rules important for learning? Answer options are: Option A, they make learning slower. Option B, they turn repeated experiences into useful predictions. Option C, they erase old memories. Option D, they stop new habits from forming. Correct option is option B, they turn repeated experiences into useful predictions. Prediction improves future decisions. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.